Crosby, say hello.
Hello.
Crosby's going to read you guys a book. What letter is this?
A.
What letter is this?
B.
What letter is this?
C.
What letter is this?
D.
What letter is that?
E.
What letter is this?
F.
What letter is this? What letter is that? What letter? What letter is this one? Tell Mommy what letter that is.
Frog.
What letter is this one right here?
F.
Yeah, what letter is this? What letter is this one here? What letter is that?
C.
Gee, good job. What letter is this?
Green.
What letter is it?
H.
What letter is that?
Cookie.
What letter is it?
And I.
What letter is that? What letter is this?
J.
What letter is that?
Paper.
What letter is this?
K.
Good job. What letter is this?
L.
What letter is that?
M.
What letter is this?
M.
N. What letter is that?
O.
What letter is this?
P.
What letter is that?
Q.
What letter is that?
I.
What letter is this?
I.
What letter is this one down here?
S.
S. Good job. What letter is this?
T.
What letter is this?
U.
What letter is this?
B. V.
It's a V. What letter is this? Look at Mommy. Look at the book. Crosby, come back. What letter is this? What letter is it? What letter is this? Look at the book for Mommy. What letter is this? Crosby. What letter is this?
W.
W. What letter is this?
X.
What letter is this?
Y.
Good job. And what letter is this?
Z.
Z. Crosby knows his ABCs. Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Blow a kiss.